I don't give a fuck about what they are saying, but bro, that shit is not funny. Let's go on to the next one.
I'm gonna show you guys my forehead and tell me if I'm cooked, okay? Be honest.
Oh. Nah, bro. What?
Damn. Oh, that shit be. This shit look like motherfucking spear. Oh, y'all cook. Y'all cook.
Who is this one? What the fuck have I seen here? You have like 12 acres of land in different parts of your forehead. Let's go on to the next one. Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Ella.
Before I start this next one, you guys will follow me because I'll be dropping another video very soon. This one says ranking best fast sprays. These fast sprays are very traumatizing. Let's get into it. Okay, the first
What's your
one.
name?
My name is Ella.
Okay.
How long have you been living in Chicago? Like Chicago, how long you
Now the thing is, this woman's face is her eyes is big, and she's like, I just discovered something.
Like
Okay, let's
Chicago, how long
continue.
you living there?
Man.
Okay, this one says Christmas tree. So it's going to be ugly people around with the Christmas tree with the fast spray. McDonald's. Oh, wait. I'm just understanding the Christmas tree's own. The Christmas tree was already pumped, so the person sprayed fast spray inside. Oh fuck, nah, bro. So the third one is McDonald's burger.
Wipe your hand with it. Just wipe your hand with it. Kill the bacteria. Smells good, right? Wipe your hand with it.
You laughed.
Just wipe
You
your hand with
laughed.
it. Kill the bacteria. Smells good, right?
What's your name?
My name is Ella.
Okay.
What the fuck? Oh nah, bro. What the fuck? I swear to God, I can't hold it anymore. Okay, that will be all. That will be all for this video, guys. If you want me to shout out to you in my next video, just drop your username under the comment section and I'll get it done. See you. Bye.